Welcome guys, thank you for watching this video, but before we proceed, do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share it to all of your friends, and also check out the description for further information guys. And now, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so welcome to this video, and today we will continue with our, the creation of some more body parts for those races. So if you haven't watched my previous video, then click on the eye at the top right corner, go check out that video in order to just continue with this one. And so I'm gonna create those body parts for the MINK race for today, and in the next video we are going to, or in the next episode, we are going to create the body parts for our Skypion race. Right, so let's move on with the minks. I'm gonna create some cat ears for the minks, so nothing too special. Okay, there we go. There we go. So these are the ears. Now to the nose, to the cat's nose, with that hair, with the cat hair, and the face. So I'm not aware of the English term for that, but you guys probably know what I'm talking about. Also, I think that we should do two cases for the mink race. So the first case is that you're going to be a cat mink. The second case is that you're going to be a dog mink. And well, who knows, maybe I'll do a third case as well, so maybe for bunny, for a bunny mink, you know. So just doing different cases, different body parts for those cases, and once you hit the mink button inside of the editor, then you will randomly receive one of these cases I was just talking about. So if you have no idea on how I mean that, then do not worry, because I think that I'm gonna do that. So we are currently at 4 minutes, And I'm just gonna finish this cat mink body parts and then just move on with the dog body parts. And then in the next episode we will do something for the bunny body parts, and then a little bit of Skype here, and then we will move on in studio with applying all of these changes. I mean, importing all of these assets, connecting them to the editor, and yeah, just finishing the editor overall. And yeah, and do not worry, I did not forget about the body colors. No, not only the body colors, but I did not forget about the colors overall. So we will work on them as well. Guys, guys. I forgot about something. I forgot to enable this thing right here. I'm very sorry for that. I did not realize that. I hope that you were able to, yeah, just follow my steps. If not, comment. So guys, ask anything you'd like, and I'll tell you. Very sorry for that. I did not realize that. I did not notice that. But it is anyways recommended to, well, be familiar with Blender, because Blender, well, many developers use Blender today. Not only Blender, but other modeling programs, and modeling overall has become such a big thing in the last years. I still remember the days when, yeah, developers worked with, yeah, the opportunities Roblox has granted to them. So working with parts, etc. Okay, there we go. So let's fuse them together. Let's join them together. So you just select both, and then it's Control J to make them join together. Also, pretty sorry again for not enabling this earlier. You were not able to see my controls while creating all of these things, but I hope that's okay, guys. So this is simply just extruding, scaling, rotating, and moving. So E, R, S, and G. So these are the only keys I have used, I think. And yeah, so let's apply some modifiers on these things. Oh no, let's first of all shade them smooth. Apply this edge split modifier. And there we go. Now everything looks more smoother. And now let's open up the editor. No. Not the editor. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. All right, no. Yeah. So we are going to export this thing now. To do that, leave the body part you want to export as the only thing right here. Now file, go to file, export obj, and export this thing, guys. Now let's do the same thing for our nose. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, so I hope that you have enjoyed this video. We were not able to create the dog's body parts in this one, but we are going to create them in the next episode, guys. So leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends. Leave me feedback in the comment section, guys. Also, take care of yourself and see you in the next video.